Hello and welcome to the Mobile UX Marathon, a series of weekly webinars on how to improve your mobile user experience and the conversion rate on mobile web. Today's webinar title is about Google Optimize using personalization. We've also added some helpful resources and a deck on our website. Please share your questions with us on the UX Marathon website and later on dial into one of our live streams if you want to get your questions answered. The website has also more information on how to find the resources, how to join the live streams, and how to see the decks we're presenting. Where to find the link to our website? The link is in the video description. Before I begin, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Maja. I'm in Google London, and I'm a senior solution consultant on Google Marketing Platform. What that means is I help our clients get the best out of their Google Analytics data and get the best out of their website by using Google Optimize for website testing and conversion rate optimization. Today, I will be talking you through how to use Google Optimize to do personalization. Google Optimize has two product capabilities. You can test by using A/B testing, multivariate testing, or redirect testing to quantify the impact of site changes and drive insightful decisions on what to change on your website. But the thing that we're going to focus on today is how to do personalization to do personalized site experiences. The term personalization is very popular nowadays. Personalization can be anything in the range of things from just changing a color of a button for a certain audience to doing a personalized, tailored experience for a logged-in user. For example, if I log into a website, when they say welcome back Maja, that means that it's personalized for me. Let's see how Google Optimize enables you to do site personalization. Here we can see user journeys. With Google Optimize, you can improve customer experience by serving them personalized content. We have Dave, who's in a market for vacation. He sees a display ad remarketing, he gets a specific remarketed email, and he gets remarketed search ad. He lands on a specifically tailored, personalized landing page based on the ad he clicked and what we know that he's searching for a vacation. You can use Google Analytics data to inform the personalization tailoring. You can use your CRM data imported in Google Analytics and use it to create audience that you will target your audience to. But Casey, monthly business traveler, sees also display ad, search ad, and she gets a remarketed email, but she lands on a completely different landing page because she's a business traveler. With Google Optimize, all of that is possible. And if we think about how our users do conversions and purchases, the probability for them to convert is higher if they will see a personalized ad. How do you create personalized experiences in Optimize? It's very simple, and you just need to do 2 steps. First thing is you need to decide who are you tailoring your personalization for. Pro tip, if you target all of your website users, that's probably not personalization, because you're not identifying a subset of users that are going to see a custom message. That's why you have to be smart with your targeting. Decide on how do you identify a certain subset of users. For example, if you use Google Analytics to track your tiers of customers, you can use that custom dimensions or however you store it for targeting. Target it to a certain audience that has custom dimension value as gold members. And then you decide on what site changes you want to deliver to that audience. What that means is, okay, I have this audience who are my gold members. What are the site changes that I think they would like to see and that will make them convert more? Once again, as a targeting, you should realize who are your customers, which are their values, and what do you want, how can you identify them? You can target simple as new versus returning users. So have a different experience for people who are brand new to your website and do not know what to expect. But also, you can target for people who are returning and they already know what to expect on your website. You can have separate personalization by geography. You will have probably a different website for a person in the UK and the person in the US. Or you might want to have different messages based on cities or regions or countries. It all depends on your website visitors. You can also have different experiences in different browsers or different device categories. For example, you can give different message for your mobile users versus your desktop users. With Optimize 360, which is an enterprise version of Google Optimize tool, you can utilize Google Analytics audiences. What that means is with analytics, you gather your customer insights and you use Google Analytics to make sure you watch on what the people are doing on your website. You can actually use that data and create audiences. Everything that is stored in Google Analytics can be used to create audiences. That audience can be targeted by site experience. Just imagine if you targeted all of the users who were in your website in the last 30 days, put something in the basket, and have not converted. You can actually personalize their user journey to a conversion by using GA data and pushing it into Optimize. Step 2 is creating the experience. Creating the experience is simple as creating an experiment. We've covered how you can easily use Visual Editor to create an experience in the Getting Started with Optimize video. Google Optimize gives you Visual Editor, which is simple to use to every technical skill set level, from people who have never done a line of code in their life to people who are very tech savvy and want to do all the coding on their own. You can create the experience, which is a different path for a certain audience to a different path for a different audience. So probably, as seen is this slide, you will want to create a different experience for somebody who wants to book a leisure travel versus somebody who wants to book a business travel. Those people do not look for the same things, and they will probably convert easier if you serve them a personalized experience. To get more on Google Optimize and personalization, please check our Think with Google website where we publish our case studies. To get started with Google Optimize and personalization, look at the Google Optimize Help Center. It's full with good implementation advices with tips and tricks and some troubleshooting documentation and frequently asked questions. If you need a visual guide on how to get started, Analytics Academy YouTube channel has a good Get Started with Optimize playlist. It's a video guide on how to get you started with your first experiments on or personalization. Once you've mastered Get Started with Optimize, please check our Quick Tips playlist, which will give you some handy advanced tips to get your Optimize practice on the next level. If you have more questions or are interested to learn more, please join us for the Google Optimize livestream. There we will be covering product demos, case studies on A/B testing and personalization with Google Optimize, and answer your questions you might have live. Thank you.